All right, let's check out this ad from Estar MedSpa and Innovation Health Clinic in Olney, Maryland. It says, we're looking for 23 ladies who want to undergo a total body transformation with our number one slimming and toning treatment. Cavi-Lipo is a non-surgical body contouring treatment that breaks down stubborn fat without the need for an expensive surgery, so you can wear those clothes you always wanted to wear with confidence after only a few sessions. Why choose a Cavi-Lipo? Introduction, improved cellulite, skin tightening, all in one treatment. Perfect for those hard to target areas such as waist, thighs, hips, arms, or any other troubled area. There's no downtime, and you feel no discomfort, so you can resume normal activities immediately after the treatment. It will leave your body slimmer and more toned. We are offering this limited deal for 50% off your first Cavi-Lipo session for just $129, reduced from $259. We got a link here. This to Messenger, I believe. The address here, and let us help you achieve your body goals. To get this amazing offer, click the button below. And this is going to go to send a message. All right. And the headline is reduce inches, improve cellulite, and skin tightening all in one treatment. All right. So this ad has a solid foundation. It's got a clear offer. It mentions the benefits, and it definitely targeting a specific result. But it's doing it in a way that's kind of flat. Right. Here's what we need to fix. One, the headline's too long. It reads like a paragraph, no punch. It leads with what Cavi-Lipo is instead of why, right? Why do they need Cavi-Lipo, right? The confidence, the freedom, clothes that fit. The list of benefits is buried and sounds generic, right? Improved cellulite, just doesn't hit like smooth and confident skin. The tone is too explainer and not enough transformation. The urgency, kind of weak. The call to action is also buried. So this could be a fire ad with the right pacing and emotional hooks. So we're going to turn this into something visceral, tight, and irresistibly clickable. All right, so let's rewrite this ad using emotional language, sensory hooks, and a punchy flow that makes people feel the transformation. I'm gonna go ahead and take a screenshot of this ad real quick. We're not gonna talk about the video here. I'm only focusing on the copy and the headline. I'm gonna drop this in my document here. Alrighty. So, all right, there's our ad, and let's only focus on copy and headlines. All right. So the first thing we want to do is we want to call out the person and their frustrations, right? So when people see this ad in their newsfeed, they need to know it's for them. So we're going to say, hey, Olney, I think that's how you pronounce it, ready to finally feel confident in those jeans again. Say goodbye to stubborn fat and hello to a slimmer, smoother shape. All right, so what we did here is we described the benefit before naming the treatment. Shrink your waist, tighten skin, and smooth cellulite in just a few relaxing sessions, right? We're painting a picture they can actually feel. It's called Cavi-Lipo, our number one non-surgical body contouring treatment. Right, now we name it, right? But in a benefit first way. Trusted by thousands, and we're only offering 23 spots this month, right? We added in trust and scarcity in one line. Feel amazing in the clothes you actually want to wear. Right? We help them picture life post-treatment. And we'll say right now, get your first session for just $129. That's 50% off. We need to push the why now button, right? No pain, downtime, just results you'll love. Then we're going to add a comment-based call to action for organic virality. So we're going to say comment tone, and we'll DM you the offer to claim your spot. And we'll sign off. Estar MedSpa, Olney, Meriden. Okay, now let's go into our headlines here. So we're going to say the first one's going to be like, let's go with buy belly fat, hello confidence, 50% off Cavi-Lipo this week. All right, so let's review our copy and our headline. So we got, hey, Olney, ready to finally feel confident in those jeans again. Say goodbye to stubborn fat and hello to a slimmer, smoother shape. Shrink your waist, tighten skin, and smooth cellulite in just a few relaxing sessions. It's called Cavi-Lipo, our #1 non-surgical body contouring treatment. Trusted by thousands, and we're only offering 23 spots this month. Feel amazing in the clothes you actually want to wear. Right now, get your first session for just $129. That's 50% off. No pain, no downtime, just results you'll love. Comment tone will DM you the offer to claim your spot at Estar MedSpa, Olney, Maryland. The headlines are buy belly fat, hello confidence, 50% off Cavi-Lipo this week. All right, so we took a brochure style ad that was overloaded with explanation and flipped it into a transformation driven story that speaks to real emotions. In just 10 sentences, we hit the why now, the how it feels, and the what they get and how to act, all while sounding natural, and scroll stopping on and social media ready. Right?
Ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.